Welcome to the CryptoNest. So talking about Bitcoin, but just before I want to go and check the fear and greed. So we are at 32. Yesterday we were at 39 and last week 49. So we're having a bearish trend. People are getting more scared and scared. Is it because the election, presidential election of the US is less than 2 weeks coming, and so people don't like instability, or they don't want to know who's going to be the next president. Actually, it's not hard. There's only have two options, case A or case B. But usually people start to get off the market, or actually already started maybe a couple of months ago slowly to pull out, and they're going to just sit this one on the side until they don't know for sure who's going to be the next president. All right, so now there is one news yesterday I saw. I don't know if it's a real one, but I was so freaking pissed off. All right, so Denmark to implement world first crypto unrealized gain tax. So gain of 42% starting of January 1st, 2026. New tax rule applied to all crypto acquired since Bitcoin genesis in 2009. Legislations align crypto taxation with other investment assets by 2026. So I don't know, but that's crazy. I mean, this world is going mad. So now they're allowed to do some laws that will apply from the past. I mean, that's just, I don't know. So what they're going to charge you 42% if you're holding Bitcoin since 2009 per. I mean, I don't know. It's like, it's crazy. How can try to be polite here? How can you ask for something or be paid or tax something that you were not even, you didn't even dare to take seriously and regulate it? Because at the end of the day, tax are there because I'm guessing because there is a protection. They regulate it, they make it safe, they make some guiding rules, and yeah, that's it. So now they tax you for something that they didn't even give any service. So can I charge you for a car that you didn't acquire yet? I don't know. That's crazy. Anyway, so it's funny, but all the people that get wrecked with the rug pull and then meme coins. So I'm guessing that also counts as a unrealized loss. I don't know. I don't know. It's crazy. Yeah. So this really kind of pissed me off yesterday. So if those morons they actually go forward and okay, let's check here. It's coingabe.com. I don't know that this web page, so I don't know if it's true. Is it reliable source? I don't know. It's the only one anyway by now that I know that I saw a news like this. But the problem is if one start, maybe the other country will follow, and so that's crazy. And don't get me wrong. Okay, fine. If we're going to do that, but then it does work also for the loss, right? Because if I bought Bitcoin at 70,000 and now it's worth 20,000, then you give me back the money I paid. I don't know. Like at one certain point, if it's up and down, it should go also. I want to get a refund. Anyway, um, let's go back on Bitcoin now. So I do believe we did have 5-way up. Actually, I mean, it doesn't work as perfect as usually, but here it just went perfect. We did a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 really hold just before the 0.5, and then the 1-to-1 ratio, it worked also very, very crazy. I just took the length of the wave 1 and 3, I added to the wave 5. So usually we're looking for several levels: 0.618, 0.786, and then 100%. We did got 100% bend on and react to that price. I call that a wave A. Now I believe this is a wave B, and now we should be working on a wave C. Maybe I'm wrong, could be also possible, but we shall see. Because could it be that this is just an A, this is the B, and we're going to go on a C or something like that? Everything is possible. We shall see. But my main count for the moment is that we should be looking for another correction wave. This is not very impulsive movement, it's more corrective. So there you go. And yeah, there isn't much to say for the moment. It did react to these B waves level a little bit, and now I'm looking if we're not heading for another 5 wave down. So C waves, you know, a 1, 2, and now I'm expecting for a 3, then a 4, and a 5 or something like that. Let's see if we're getting that. So am I expecting for lower price for Bitcoin? Yes. Am I going to accumulate if it gets to the 1-to-1 ratio? Yeah, more likely. And also we do have ADA that it's kind of fighting. You can see that it's going, you know, it's really pushing higher. So that's good for ADA. Chainlink also it's kind of trying to hold there and stay, yeah, kind of fight this pretty, yeah, midterm downtrend that was acting as a resistance. And honestly, yeah, BGB also he did a great job. So you can see that I do find he did a 3 wave up for the wave 1, wave 2 reacted to the 0.618 band on, and I do believe this was an A, B, and a C. For a moment, it's working very well. For a diagonal, you know, the minimum would be 1.236, but doesn't make it very reliable. As you can see, you know, ideally we would go at least a 1.38. Can it go higher? Yes, but at least it did go higher, so that's positive. And yeah, it's yeah, BGB, it's really working great. Now, until we don't break this uptrend line in green, I believe we could still have a chance to go higher. Can we reach the 1.618? Yeah, maybe, possibly. Sky is the limit. And well, in the case we start to break this trend, then it's going to be, for me anyway, my first signal that fourth wave maybe is going to start, or you know, yeah, it will initiate. Now, as you can see, I need to readjust this because I didn't do it. Let me recenter also. All right, so if in a case that BGB break this uptrend line, then I'm going to look, and it actually doesn't make another higher high, local high, then I'm going to look for the $1.127, $1.078, and $1.04 as a next fib retracements levels. We do have the MA50 also that is kind of joining, so 0.382 would be very nice, which is coincidentally the ideal target for a wave 4. And yeah, so that's pretty much all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.